My name's Steve Pitton. I'm Managing Director of Jaltek Systems. We're an electronics design and manufacturing service provider based in Luton in the UK. We concentrate on high mix, low volume, complex products for regulated niche electronics markets. 3 years ago we were looking to upgrade our surface mount manufacturing capability. We did a detailed survey of the market and found that Europlacer excelled in terms of their service offering and support package. The technology of the product, the number of feeders we could set up gave us substantial flexibility over competitive products. We also like the fact that Europlacer could provide us a complete solution which was ahead of the competition and the offering we were seeing in the market. Very recently we've just added 2 new lines to the facility. We're very pleased that the lines arrived. One arrived on a Monday and was operational by the Thursday. The other line arrived on the Tuesday and was operational by the Friday. I think one of the things we really liked about the Europlacer solution is the simplicity of the software and the tools. It's very easy to operate, very easy to use, and extremely flexible, which gives us a lot of scalability moving forward in the future. Europlacer machines are highly technically capable. They provide us with great flexibility in terms of the component and package sizes we can place. The ProMon software allows us to understand the efficiency and look at areas where we can improve efficiency with the machines. The fact that we could set up a huge number of feeders was very important to us. The support and training package and ongoing service that we were offered worked really well for us on the first line we bought. So it was an obvious extension to choose Europlacer moving forward because their offering was so differentiated from that of the competition. I would recommend Europlacer without hesitation. It's a really forward-thinking company who has a culture of providing support and service and delivering on what they say they will do.